Hi everyone, Leo here with Askneo.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add staff and assign them conversations. First, connect to your Askneo.io account, click on staff, and then click on the plus button. You can invite new staff member by SMS or by email. They will receive an SMS or an email with an invitation to join your Askneo account. It's completely free to them. It's just a way to add them to your account so then you can collaborate on conversations. There are different roles that you can assign people. If you're an owner of the account, you can add and remove staff and you have all of the authorization that you need. If you're a simple staff member, you cannot add or remove staff members and you have less authorizations. But I want to show you something really powerful here with staff. If you go back to the feed, and you hover on the different conversation, you see that there is this little button called Assign. Well, if you click on Assign, you're going to have a list of your staff members and you can assign them a conversation. They will receive a notification, and that's a great tool to actually collaborate on different conversations, especially if you have hundreds or even thousands of customers answering you and asking questions about your product or services. And you see here staff. This is the name of the staff member you assign the conversation to. If I click on the conversation here, you retrieve this information also here. And you can assign or reassign any conversation to any staff member at any time. So I'm going to reassign it to myself. And the name of the staff member is going to change here. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or feedback, text us to 917-451-5515. And remember, near is the one.